all, I love the branding, I love my car, I love my bike, I love my money and ting. Most of all, I love the dark skin, I love the money and ting. Most of all, I love the fair skin, when I start cry for your black woman. Hey, hey, hey. Dark skin, lighty, caramel browning. Every man needs his queen for the crowning. Dark skin, lighty, caramel browning. Every king needs his queen be around him. Dark skin, lighty, caramel browning. Black woman, I find your skin tone arising. I start crying for your black woman. Yes. Brown skinned lady, got the kind of complexion that drives men crazy. Way back when, since the 1980s, well maybe not, she's a 90s baby. But when she's far away, I'll be counting daily. Till the day we're reunited, baby. Natural beauty, inside and out, whatever acting groupie. Don't have to pile on foundation by the mountain. Still compliments flow like a fountain. Men find your mind state and skin tone of rising. Some men have complexes about the opposite sex and their complexions. I just find all the contrast interesting. Last but not least, can I make this suggestion? Dark skin, lighty, caramel browning. Every man needs his queen for the crowning. Dark skin, lighty, caramel browning. Every king needs his queen be around him. Dark skin, lighty, caramel browning. Black woman, I find your skin tone arising. I stop crying for your black woman. Yo, Listen, some of our brothers have been conditioned. Sisters love one another, no competition. Conquer and divide was designed as the mission. To create, divide and cause partition. True say, a new day has risen. Let's all keep it real, from the field to the kitchen. Sistering light to the darker complexion. One love, one heart, one connection. Skin, light skin, caramel browning. Every man needs it. One more time.